you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your computer. Go to your system's sound settings and verify that the microphone is set as the default recording device. Step 2. Adjust in-game voice chat settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the audio settings. Make sure that the voice chat option is enabled and that the correct microphone is selected in the game settings. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your audio drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website and install any available updates. Step 4. Verify game files. Sometimes corrupted game files can lead to problems. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Restart your computer. After making changes or updates, restart your computer to ensure that all settings are applied correctly. This can often resolve lingering issues with voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice chat issues in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.